What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new video for you today. Very excited about this one. It's a Chevy 3500 High Country, brand new 2026. It's white. It has the perfect interior in it, that brown and black leather. It almost looks like that Carhartt theme. I love the way this truck looks on the inside. I've been seeing nothing but Denali Ultimates lately, and I love the way the trucks look, don't get me wrong, but I haven't seen much on the Chevy side, and this is the first one I've seen with this interior. So we're going to be doing a really cool setup. This is a dually truck, so we're putting 6 37-inch Toyo RT Pro. It's my favorite tire to sell right now, and we're doing the SuspensionMAXX torsion keys. So this is a repeat customer of mine. His company's called the Lawn Ninja. If you guys remember back in the channel, probably about maybe a year ago, we did a truck for him. But stay tuned. I'm about to get out of this truck and show you what it looks like, and then we're going to get started on it. So when he said he was bringing me a brand new High Country, he wasn't kidding. 2026. This truck has like 1,100 miles on it right now. Bone stock. It's amazing looking though. I love the paint. You know, I love white, black, silver. It's kind of my favorite, but look at the interior of this thing. And I think this is the first time I've seen an actual badge on a Chevrolet on the console there. Super excited to get this one going. Like I said, the Toyo RT Pro is a very aggressive, like, hybrid tire. It's a mud terrain tire, but it's more on like the all-terrain side. I don't know how to explain it, but the tire looks really aggressive. It has a 45,000 mile warranty, and it rides really, really good, and it's smooth and quiet. So stay tuned for this one. We're about to get started right now. So I get asked about this tire more than any of them lately. The Toyo Open Country RT Pro is the newest Toyo tire to the family. It is the same company as Nitto Toyo is, so you're getting a good quality tire whether you buy either brand. This tire has a 45,000 mile warranty with it. The lugs are amazing looking. The sidewall looks very aggressive. The tire is super quiet. It's super high mileage, good on the road. I don't know what else to say about it. This is the hottest tire of 2025 right here. If you guys want to buy a good looking tire and make anything else look good, go this way. It's available in mostly every size. It has all the good plies, you know, load indexes, all that stuff that you need. This is a 37 1250 18. This is the first time that I've put these on a dually with 18s. Most of all the other dualies that I've worked on have had 17s. This is the first one with 18, so I know it's going to look better. I'm really excited to see how this truck turns out. SuspensionMAXX keys. This is the MC9 is the part number at the end. That's how we call them in the shop, the MC9s. This is for your 2020 to 2026 GM or Chevrolet 2500, 3500 HD. It fits, I put it in all kinds of different places. I use it for a leveling kit for the stock trucks. I use it in, you know, the 4-inch, the 5-inch, the 6-inch, the 7, 9, 12-inch lift kits. You put these keys in there and set them at 0 or whatever you want, above 0, 1, or 2. And you can actually get a smoother ride out of your truck with these on there. So if you have a bone stock truck straight from the dealership, you want the truck to be level and you want it to ride good, this is the way to go. I sell everybody's torsion keys, right? I can sell you a rough country, Cognito, whatever you want, and they all do the job. They all lift the truck. This torsion key softens up the ride, and I'm here to explain to you why. So I guess we'll start out with what's in the box. First, you get instructions. You get your hardware that you need to do everything. There are differential drop bolts in here. There are spacers in here for that. You have the key itself. There's your MC9 red key right there with the patented piece in the middle here. This is the gear that you can do for adjustment, ride height adjustment. There's your other key right there. And then some stickers, right? So, not necessarily trying to break down every nut and bolt and what everything does, but here's the deal. So they have an instructions kit that comes with this, right? Let me fix my camera a little bit. All right, so they have an instructions manual that comes with the kit. In this instructions manual, it tells you everything you need to know about SuspensionMAXX keys and how to install them. There is a guide, calibration chart right here that will tell you, if you look, which setting and which ride height you put the keys to and which setting or which ride height you will achieve on the truck. I use the A2 one typically. This is the 1.7 or 2.5 inches of height, meaning that once you put the keys in and set them to the A2 setting, you can actually use the bolt that you would normally adjust the torsion bars with to critique or make your perfect ride height, right? You want to make it like 1.8 inches, you can do it with these keys. You want to make it 2.5 inches, you can do it with these keys. If you want to go 3 inches, which is crazy to me, I don't really ever do that because it makes the truck ride stiff. You can put these to 3 inches if you want, and they'll ride better than any key at 3 inches, but they're not going to ride perfect. At 2 inches, you really can't feel the difference on this. It does have shock extenders in the kit that we use. It will extend out your factory shock so you don't overextend that and have a stiff ride from that. And it does come with differential drop brackets. This is a personal opinion. It may be the same opinion of many people that use these kits, but if you go past 2 inches, we use the differential drops. If you don't go past 2 inches, we don't. Reason being is the angles aren't hurt so bad at 2 inches that you need to use the differential drop brackets. If we're going to use differential drop brackets, I would rather sell you a 4-inch kit that has the whole steel bracket and cross member with it, but that's just me. So I'm sure there are many things about these keys that I did not cover. I kind of want to make this short and sweet. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Right now it is October of 2025, and the current price for this kit with installation and alignment is $800. That may change, it may not. It's been $800 for a while. So if you guys feel like reaching out and getting some of these done, it's not as big of a deal as you think. I usually have a couple of sets of these on the floor, and it usually takes me 3 or 4 hours to put a set of these in. If you use this particular key, you can use a 37-inch tire on a 2500 as long as you use the stock offset wheel or one of those replica wheels that I sell. This key is the biggest value thing that I think we have at the shop, and we probably sell more of this than we do anything else. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My number is 678-994-9180, and my name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Check out my new SuspensionMAXX hoodie, by the way. I think Larry sent me that. I'm going to say I appreciate it. So here we are back in the High Country 3500. It's ready to go. I could not be happier. The tires look amazing. The truck looks great. Everything about it. If I had a dually, this would be how I would do it. I love the 18-inch factory wheels. We did that spacer in the back. It's 2 inches in between the rear wheels. We have plenty of clearance. There's no spacer needed on the inside frame rail, like on the inside to keep it off the frame rail. The tire's clear. No modifications at all. I didn't have to do anything at all. No bumper spacer, no trimming. This is the perfect setup. So I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Look at this truck. This thing is perfect. Literally perfect. We have a 2026 Chevy 3500 Silverado High Country. It's the best truck you can get from Chevrolet. I've said this in the past. I love the GMC front ends, but I think that I'm more of a fan of the way the Chevy looks. Totally an opinion. You guys can have a different one. That's okay. I love the way it looks. This Toyo RT Pro tire, this is my favorite tire right now too. I said that earlier in the video. It looks great. What a perfect combination. They did go up to the 18-inch wheel this year on the 3500, maybe last year, whatever year it was. They went up to the 18. It looks better than the 17 did. All the sidewall on that tire looks amazing. You saw in the clips earlier that it does not rub. We didn't trim the mud flap. We did not trim the front bumper. On a GMC, we probably would have to trim just a little bit right there. I don't know why there's a little bit more room with the Chevy, but there is. There's just a half an inch, but it's enough to not have to cut it. So, once again, super impressed with the way the interior looks in this truck. I love the color combination, the black and the, it's almost like a caribou or like a caramel color. I don't know. I really like it though. Back here in the rear, we have plenty of clearance there in between the tires now that we put that wheel spacer in there. And then on the inside where the frame or the leaf spring would hit, we have plenty of clearance there. All right, here's our two back tires from the back side. Plenty of clearance there. And then there's our clearance up on the leaf spring. We did the SuspensionMAXX torsion key leveling kit right here. We raised it 2 inches in the front, and I put shock extensions up there for your factory shocks to work. There's no need for all the extra stuff with this, and with the offset of that front dually wheel right there, we are actually able to put that 37 on there without having to, cut the truck all up, which is really, really nice. And it aligns properly, and the truck drives amazing. This tire drives awesome. The SuspensionMAXX keys ride amazing. Couldn't have done any better. I'm going to put a quote on this build after this clip. So if you guys have any questions about the prices, just stay tuned. You'll see it there. If you have any more questions or you want to price another job, the number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. I'm here Monday through Friday, and I appreciate everybody watching the channel.